Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. So today this is the second video of the Swiss001 landing challenge, but today we're going to do a hard landing. I already completed the landing. Now we have it on replay mode on Geo-FS. So we will see if it's hard enough. If not, I'm going to give it another try. And if it's not, then I'm going to mark it as another butter smooth landing. And let's see here. I got this set up correctly, I hope. Tilting up. It's coming down really fast at this stretch now. Yeah, no. That's where it all went from. I feel like that can be passed off as a first try butter landing. What do you think? So, hopefully it works. If you watched yesterday's video, you know what I'm trying to do. I'll give you a few more views of it. And there we are. Today I'll give you a cockpit view too. Banking up. I should have kept it full throttle. Actually, that looks hard from this view, but not from the other one. So let me give you another camera view. Cockpit cam. Let's redo that. Wow, if you ask me, that's a terrible cockpit. Good thing you can even move around in it. I'll have the navigation on for this one. We landed pretty late. So yeah. We're coming in for landing. And not touchdown yet. And that's touchdown. I mean, it's fine. I'll pass this off as a hard landing. It isn't that bad. I'll pass it off as a hard landing. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video next weekend. Bye.